Flash. And he's not gonna do it again, is he? He's gonna do one for good measure here. On again! He's gonna maybe think a third time here. A third one. On again! Oh no, I wonder what this is. Look out. Look out, it's a fall-away slam off the top rope. Now what? Now what the hell is this? Oh! Bounced off the ropes and again. Oh, wait, no. Rhino countered it. And now, just driving that horn right into the gut of right in the gut of the thing. That was devastating. And oh no, here it comes. Here it comes. Gore! 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 1, 2, 3. This one's over. Zero and Rhino win this one. Comes the ending right here. The big finish. Gore! 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 For the 1, 2, 3. Rhino. Wins this one for his team. Wait, what the? What the? What the? Oh my God, no! It is! It's the Man of Steel! Superman is back! And he's headed straight for Rhino! What is this about? Superman has returned! And Rhino, wait a minute, Rhino, going right after Superman. Rhino with right hands, trying to get some offense here, and throws Superman. He's gonna spoil Superman's return here. Wait a minute. Superman throws him into the ropes and takes him down with the STO! And now what? I see that the ropes... Oh, the speeding bullet! The speeding bullet! Kicks him in the gut. Oh, big boot! Takes him down! Superman is back! Is attacking Rhino after his matchup. And back body drop. Takes him down with another STO. Next comes the Alabama Slam. Another right hand. Now, what's he going for here? And he tosses Rhino like a kid's toy. Superman has returned, and now Superman flying up the top rope. Clotheslines down Rhino. Top of the top rope speeding bullet. And now, Superman with the S5. Superman with the S5. Wait, what's he going for here now? Oh, wait a minute. I was going for triple verticals here. The Three Sons of Krypton. And now, there's the Super S Splash. Rhino's back up. Ah, clothesline. He gets clothesline right back down. There's a speeding bullet. Now Superman stomping a mud hole in Rhino. Superman back with a vengeance. Now what? We haven't seen this side of Superman in a long time. He runs all the way over there to give him a speeding bullet. Now what? It hits him in the face with the table. There's the STO again. Oh, wait a minute. There's the S5 through the table. The S5 through the table right on the edge. Where the leg is, Rhino's head just bounced right off of that. Another S5, and another one! Now, perhaps a third! Watch this. It's the STO. Superman has returned. It's back and better than ever. There's the third S5. And he delivered a Rhino, letting everybody know Superman is back with a vengeance. We may not see Rhino again for who knows how long. Superman back. Welcome back to Superman.